Hello friends, good morning, how are you today? Vladimir here, and this is the daily video 17th of June 2015. Well, the fundamental events this week are about to start today, later today. We still have like 11 hours or so to go. FOMC, first of all, we're coming closer and closer to the day that the Federal Reserve will have to increase the rates. Everyone is looking forward for that. Everyone is expecting it to happen, and it will be very interesting to to wait for it to happen in order to to see actually what's next, how strong and stronger more the dollar could be. I'm doubtful they will rate the rate today, they will increase it today, but any hint, any word, any rumor, any manipulation about it will give the boost, will give the volatility, will give new speculations, and that's what we want, right? We want move. So basically that's all. So first of all, let's say it as it is. Be careful. Consider maybe even not to trade until then. Market could go in a range until then. It could suddenly go and gain momentums before the main event. Let's call it this way. So basically, just be careful. Wait for the best setups. If you have one, great. If not, maybe it's even better to wait right after that. And tomorrow, I want just quickly remind you, we have the decision about Greece. Right, so it is going to be ultra interesting days from my point of view, and we have to be ready. The main thing I am looking as opportunity, basically I don't have any new unexpected pairs, still same things, but there are many, so let's get ready. First of all, I would like to start with commodity this day, because I think gold is going down. The way it looks, the way it behaves, the way it developing its moves, especially on the higher time frames, it feels like it's able to make the push down. Now, we've been talking about the gold as it's able to do something like that, right? Move inside and then drop down. From my point of view, while we are below 1204, 1205, I remain very bearish for this one. It's not a secret, you know it already from yesterday, and not just from yesterday. So for me, gold is already a sell opportunity. Now, how it's best to go for it? We now develop this trend line. I believe break below it should bring a great opportunity. Alternatively, we could try some, well, I would say maybe smaller risk or something like that trade. If we manage to get that to happen, okay, two waves up towards 1185, we can try and look for sell opportunity here by a reverse. Okay, get some reverse here, divergence on lower time frames, false break, any sign that this top is about to end, and then go for sell versus this trend line. Okay, so the risk here might be extremely low if we manage to get there, of course, and the potential is huge. Now, for potential, at the end of the drop, I do expect new bottoms, but even on the previous bottoms, that could be still providing monster risk reward. So for me, it's a great opportunity. The alternative, as I said, if we don't get it, is a break below the trend line and the support 1175. Gaining momentum there should be a great sign. Now, as I said, FOMC today, and the stars should be yen pairs.